The International Monetary Fund has lowered its 2025 growth forecast for South Korea's economy to 2%, a 0.2% percentage point drop from its October projection, while raising its global growth outlook.
국제통화기금 IMF가 올해 세계 경제 성장률을 상향 조정한 데 반해 우리나라 경제 성장률 전망치는 지난해 10월보다 0.2%포인트 낮은 2%로 발표했습니다.
Yes, so we start this Monday morning with some economic news
Yes.
coming out of the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, and they have lowered their growth forecast for South Korea this year from originally 2.2% back in October
Right.
to an adjusted 2% for this year. So basically, in layperson's terms, the IMF believes that the economy won't do as well as they had initially projected back in October. My wild guess is because of the events that have been happening in South Korea politically.
Especially over the past months or so. 지난 10월에 IMF가 2025년 경제 성장률 전망치를 마지막으로 내놨었고요. 그때보다 이번에 새로 전망치를 내놓은 게 좀 낮아졌다 이런 얘기죠. 한국은 그래요. 전 세계적으로는 세계 경제 성장률은 좀 상향 조정을 했어요.
Yeah, they've actually increased the global growth outlook from 3.2% to 3.3%. And also, if you want to look at the IMF's projections compared to other bodies, the Korean government is projecting a 1.8% increase. The Bank of Korea, 1.9%. The OECD has a little more optimistic outlook at 2.1%. So if you want to average those out, roughly, we're in about the 2% range for growth for this year.
그러네요. 우리 정부 같은 경우에는 올해 우리나라가 1.8% 성장할 것이다. 이렇게 내다보고 있고요. 한국은행은 1.9%로 전망하고 있고 OECD죠. 경제협력개발기구는 2.1%로 전망하고 있습니다. 그러니까 비슷해요. IMF는 2%로 보고 있으니까요.
And because these are projections, of course, they're not. They're based on quantitative metrics,
Yeah.
but they go and adjust these as events unfold. And this is important for investors because investors they use these projections to kind of change their behaviors
Yeah.
and how they invest in economies.
Well, a new administration comes into force today in the US.
Yes.
So what about the US economy?
Well, the U.S. economy, I believe, I don't know what the exact projections are, but there's a lot of optimism if you want to look
Yeah.
at sort of the stock market, how it's been doing. If you're into cryptocurrency prices are at their all-time high. So there's
Yeah.
a lot of optimism for this new Trump administration.
그러게 말입니다. IMF에서 미국 경제 같은 경우에는 지난 10월에 전망했을 때보다 이번에는 한 0.5%포인트 전망치를 올려가지고요. 2.7% 성장할 것 같다. 이렇게 내다보고 있네요. 자, 표현 보겠습니다. 첫 번째, to lower.
Yeah, we said the IMF lowered their forecast, meaning that if you move something in sort of a downward
Yeah.
trajectory or direction, you're lowering it as a verb.
That's right. 낮추다라는 뜻으로 lower를 쓸 수 있습니다. What about projection?
Yeah, and a projection is an estimate of something happening in the future based on the information or current trends that you have. A projector, like a projector
Yeah.
screen, is something that you sort of magnify onto a wall or onto a screen. And that's what basically you're doing in this case, for this coming year.
That's right. projection이라는 게 여기서는 전망치라는 뜻이 있어서요. October projection이라는 것은 지난 10월에 전망했던 수치라는 뜻이 되겠죠. 이 projector, 그럼 beam projector 이런 것들은 우리가 이제 벽에다가 아니면 스크린에다가 이미지를 착 이렇게 투여하는 거잖아요. 보여주게 하는 거. 그러니까 그런 게 사실 다 같은 의미가 있어요. 영어에서는 앞을 내다보다, 벽에다가 뭐 비춰보다 이런 게 다 이제 project라고 표현을 합니다.
Or in contrast, as a noun, you would call it a project. If you have a project
yes.
to work on, which is a slightly different meaning here, but in terms of pronunciation, the stress is on the first syllable in that case.
That's a good point. 네. project 할 때는 강세가 앞에 있지만 projection이라고 할 때는 강세가 두 번째 음절에 있습니다. I'm going to read the headline one more time. The International Monetary Fund has lowered its 2025 growth forecast for South Korea's economy to 2%, a 0.2 percentage point drop from its October projection, while raising its global growth outlook. Now let's move on to the next headline.